so today we're going to go over Chapter 7, Section 9, Assignment on page 335 through 336, questions number 3 through 15. It's on page 20 in your packet. All right, question number 3 says, Rod receives $1,150 in monthly pension, $650 monthly from Social Security at retirement. He wants his monthly retirement income to be $3,000 a month. What percentage of his $275,000 IRA must he withdraw to reach the monthly income he wants? So let's first add up his Social Security and his pension that he gets. Question number 3, we're going to add up Social Security, which was $650, plus his pension, which is $1,150. He receives from those two items $1,800. He wants to have $3,000. That's how much he wants to have for each month. Minus $1,800. He has to take out $1,200 from his IRA. This is how much more he needs. And they ask for the percentage, so we're going to take how much more he wants and divide it by his IRA. So $1,200 divided by the $275,000 gives us a decimal of 0.00436. It asked us to round to, did I say what to round to? It says what percent, but let's round to the tenths place. Move it over 2 places, 1, 2. It gives us 0.4. There's a 3 next door, so we're going to leave the 4 alone. So 0.4%. So it's less than 1% of the IRA that they have. All right, question number 4. Sale's monthly retirement income is made up of $1,900 from his employer-based pension fund and $900 from his Social Security. He also has an IRA worth $150,000. What percent, again, of his IRA must he withdraw if he wants his total retirement income to be $42,600 a year? All right, so we got to do a little more calculations here. So they want to know the year instead of the month. So we could figure out the month and times it by 12, or we could figure out how much we want for the entire year, and that's what I'm going to do. So $1,900 is what he gets from his employer-based pension, plus he gets from Social Security $900, and together that'll add up to $2,800. That's how much he gets a month. But we want to figure it out for the year, so we're going to times it by 12 months. Gives us a total income for the year between those two items, Social Security and his pension, of $33,600. Remember, he wants $42,600. So we got to find the difference between those two. This is what he receives, this is what he wants, and the difference would be $9,000 difference. So he wants $9,000 more. Now it asks us for the percentage that he needs to take out of his IRA. So we're going to take the $9,000 and divide it by how much he has in his IRA, which is $150,000. And when you divide that, you'll get a decimal of 0.06. And when we move the decimal over 2 places, that's 6%. So he's going to need to take out 6% of his IRA for that year. All right, question number 5. Tony is retiring after 4 years of work at age 65. He will receive the following monthly amounts: $1,400 from his union pension, $840 from Social Security. What is his annual retirement income? So between those two things, it doesn't say he has an IRA. So we're going to add those two things up and multiply by 12 because we want the year. Question 5, add up the $1,400 pension, Social Security is $840. Together, that adds up to $2,240. We're going to times that by 12 because they want to know, that's per month, they want to know the year. So for the year, Tony receives $26,880 per year between his pension and his Social Security. Questions 6 and 7. Kelly's pension fund pays 2.1% of her average salary for the last 3 years for each year of service. Her annual salary for the last 3 years was $87,000, $90,000, and $95,000. So we're going to need to do the average. Kelly has contributed to her pension fund for 25 years. Question number 6. What is her average salary for the last 3 years? So we got to add them all up and divide by 3 to get her average. And she made $87,000 plus she $90,000 and $95,000 divided by 3. When we add those 3 up, we get $272,000. That's not the average, that's just how much she made in the 3 years. Divide by 3, her average salary was $90,666.67. That was a repeating 6, so I rounded up to 7 for 67 cents. That's her average average salary for the last 3 years. What is Kelly's total pension rate? All right, so they told us in the reading that she makes 2.1% for every year of service. She gives them 25 years of service. So not a dollar sign. She's going to make what percentage? When we multiply it, we get 52.5%. So she is going to get, for her pension, 52.5% of her salary. Question 8 continues on with this, and it says, what monthly pension amount will she receive if she retires this year? Question 8, she's going to get $90,666.67 times this decimal point 525. That gives her $47,600 for the year, but they asked how much she will get per month, so we got to divide that by 12 to figure out how much per month. And Kelly will receive $3,966.67 per month. So again, please make sure you be careful in the reading. This one asked how much per month, so we had to divide it by 12. All right, question number 9. Pablo contributes $48,000 to his pension fund over 20 years of service. to his company. The fund pays $4 a month for each 100 of pension funds contributed if he retires at age 65. What is his monthly pension amount at age 65? So we take what he's contributed, which is $48,000. So this one's a little bit different than what we did before. We got to figure out how many hundreds, excuse me, not thousands, how many hundreds are in 48,000. And there are 480 hundreds in that. And his company will give him $4 for every 100. So times it by 4. He will receive $1,920 per month. All right. Question 11. Peter's pension fund reduces the total pension rate he is to receive by 0.5% for each year that he retires before the age of 67. If Peter retires at age 62, by what percent will he be penalized? So we got to figure out the number of years that he retires before age 67. So question 10. 67 minus 62. He's retiring 5 years early. He gets penalized 0.5%, so we're going to times it by 0.5%, which he's going to get penalized 2.5%. So let's say he gets 52.5% if he retires at age 67. We would have to deduct that 2.5 from that, giving him 50%. All right, question 12. On question 12, you're going to need to use the chart that we had when we did our notes, and that chart is on page 19 of your notes. So Marla is age 82 and has a $1,289,350 in her IRA. What amount must she withdraw as a minimum from her IRA this year? So we need to look at age 82 and find the divisor, which is 16. So we have to take how much she has in her IRA, which is $1,289,350, divided by 16. They want her to take out that amount. And she's going to have to take out $80,584.38. Remember, she's not being taxed on that until she takes it out, so she's going to have to claim that on her taxes, that $80,584.38. All right, question 13. Same idea. Jake has a total of $529,200 in his IRA. If Jake is 76, what minimum amount must he withdraw from his IRA this year? So go to age 76 on your chart, and it's 20.9, so that's our divisor. We're going to take the $529,200, divide it by the 20.9, gives us $25,320.57 he must take out of his IRA and claim it on his income tax. Question 14, again this is on the chart. Amy is 78 years old. Her IRA investment is $738,300. What minimum amount must she withdraw this year? So go to the chart. She's 78. The divisor is 19.2. So So 14, she has 738,300 divided by 19.2. She will need to take out $38,453.13. And the IRA company will just send that to her. She really doesn't have a choice. She must take out that much money for that year because of her age. Last question, question 15, says Rich withdraws $4,350 from his IRA when he's only 35. What penalty must he pay? Remember when in the notes we talked about it, it was 10%. So we have to figure out what 10% of that is. So take the amount that he's withdrawing and times it by 10% to get the penalty. Percent will be 0.10 or just 0.1. Multiply that, you'll get $435 penalty. And that is it for Chapter 7, Section 9 assignment. As always, guys, be safe. Take care of your family and be healthy and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Next thing we're going to be doing is Chapter 7 test. All right, bye.